Welcome back to Market Day Report. 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Todd Horwitz back with us. Todd, I want to thank you for trying to give us an explanation. And as we were off air, you were giving me more. Maybe someday we can have you back in studio and talk about what the Fed should be doing, would not be doing, in your view, your opinion. But right now, the livestock trade. I want to talk about where you think this trade is. Another volatile week here right now, the second week of February.
Well, I think yesterday we said we were looking for 148 in feeders. We were looking for 130 in live, and I think we achieved those, and we're seeing a little bit higher pricing here.
Yeah.
I think they're very well established, and the patterns of them pretty well established in here. I think, again, I became positive of the space a number of weeks ago. I think that I'm looking for opportunities to buy. I'm not looking to sell. I'm only looking for spots to buy. I think what you want to look for, if you're an owner or farmer, producer, whatever, at 155 in feeders, you just want to watch because it may fail there. That would be the first objective to get to from here. Then we could possibly go higher. Mm-hmm. Live cattle, 136, 137. That's where you want to understand and watch. That'll tell you. Those are big areas, Mark, where the market's what we call make price discovery and the exchange of wealth takes place. Those are areas that we can find that should create a little bit of resistance. Because when we saw it come down, we've been pretty good on the areas, and we're not always right, but we're trying to find those right spots that are based on technically that where we can get into a market that gives us the best shot to increase our profit margin. And that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm always looking at, is where's the best opportunity. So I think, right now we're 130 to 137 in live cattle, just to give you a wide range. Yeah. And feeders are probably 148 to 155, and then 159 or 160 after that.
Wow. We'll see if we can get that far. And then live hogs, how does your analysis change looking at the pork complex?
Well, actually, it didn't change. I actually put numbers on it today. I think that we're going to see 60 or 70, basically. Okay, I'm telling you, there's a big move brewing in here. I'm not sure when it's going to be. It's very hard. You never know. This would be purely a guess on my part. The only thing I will say with great confidence is that a very large move is coming. Right now, I can see it. Those either side or the other. I have no opinion. I do like the space, but I'm going to sit it out and wait till they give me a better clue.
Right. So you say it may go down to 60 and could go up to what, 75 or 80, maybe?
Well, it could go farther. I mean, I think the initial burst is going to push us either right down, which I do not think is going to happen, or it's going to push us up to 70. But again, I see a big move coming. I really can't determine which way.
Yeah.
I like the space. The pattern looks good, but it could be to the downside. I don't think so, but there's always a chance.
Very good. Todd, love the passion. Thanks every day for your time with us. We appreciate that. Know our listeners and viewers do too. We'll keep in touch.
Thank you so much.
Todd Horwitz.